Yo, what's good, man? Your boy King of Travel, man. Listen, I got a story for y'all, man, and I'm gonna tell y'all something. You know, I'm not gonna even call no names, but y'all know who y'all are. Y'all know who y'all are, and y'all calling people lazy because we go through y'all videos and reacting on y'all videos all day and y'all lazy. But listen, it's a part of the story you're not telling nobody. And you can feel how you want to feel, but let me tell you something. I'm going to open people's minds up to something. So before we get this started, let me see something. What's up, people? Your boy King of Travel, man. I want to address a situation today. But before I address it, let me see, should I?
It is best not to say now.
Okay. So let me ask you this.
Ask later when the time is right.
Okay, should I address this situation about us being lazy? Talk to me.
Now is not the right time to tell you.
Okay, my bad. I'll try later on today. How about now? Is it good?
No.
I can't talk about the situation, y'all. Because, hold up.
The answer you seek is yes.
Say no more. I can speak about it. Let's make sure.
There is no doubt.
Say no more, wizard. So we're going to talk today. And we're going to talk about a situation. I want to address something because I don't want to say the name of the two people, but they kind of offend the reactors. And I want to jump into that situation because they call the reactors very lazy. And I'm going to give y'all a little video clip of something what one of the reactors told me on one of my posts and how they felt about it. You know, and the first thing I want to give a big shout out to the Crook Traveler, man. Respect Crook Traveler. You know what I'm saying? One of the people that motivated me at the same time, man, on the react on videos and stuff. And it's a few reasons why I'm reacting more than you see me traveling out in them countries like I was and doing travel videos. Am I going to stop traveling and doing travel videos? No, I'm not saying that. I might record some here and there. But it ain't going to be like I used to. And let me tell you why. But before I tell you why, let me tell you what Crook Traveler said. He said, see how you invest in your editing on your reactions? And a fool or fools will say reactions are lazy just because they want us to be walking around showing dogs, pigeons, foul toilets, ugali, and the rest. Truth. I really got pissed with the comment, but I had to stay calm and react the way I've been doing. That's only real. So I want to tell y'all something. The first thing is, I would say I'm getting more into reacting myself. I was a travel YouTuber. That's how I first started. But I would still do videos and interviews with people. But now I'm reacting more on situations. And I'm glad I did that. And I'm explaining to you a few reasons why. So you know my title is talking about they stole my cell phone. So it might be better for us to be kind of lazy reactors. And I'm going to tell you why. Because this is the part that these people are leaving out. I don't want to say the people's name. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But being out in the field, it's a lot of work. I'm going to just tell y'all that. It's a lot of work out there, man. And me coming from a travel YouTuber more into reactions, it's more for me. And the reason why, I'm going to tell you a few problems I face. And they probably call us lazy because the reality is, it's a lot of pressure in the field. And I'm going to tell you a few reasons why. Number one, traveling from country to country gets very expensive. I just want you to know that. Hotels, food, from plane to plane. And it's a lot of work in the field too. I want to help justify what these people said about us as lazy people and why it's a good thing. Because I'm going to be real with you, coming from a travel YouTuber to more reacting is one of the best things I could have ever done. And I'm going to tell you why. My situation when my phone got stolen one time, it really hurt my feelings because it was a brand new phone I had. And I got it stolen because, you know what I'm saying, I was filming some people and I really had the phone in my front pocket. 30 seconds later, somebody done pickpocketed and stole my phone. 30 seconds, that fast. You know what I'm saying? But what happens sometimes is being a travel YouTuber and the work that you got to do in the field sometimes get a little overwhelming because you out there, a bunch of people, the crowd jumping, and you kind of lose your state of thoughts. When you pulling out your camera and all that, then people pickpocketing you, getting this and getting that. So these are the different things that you go through as a travel YouTuber going into these countries. The people who talk when we lazy, let me tell you another good reason why it's kind of good to be lazy, because this is what they not telling y'all. All them videos that they dropping, I'ma promise you this. It's plenty of days they don't feel like dropping them videos. Trust what I tell you. But the reason why they gotta drop videos to that degree is because they gotta keep the money going. You understand me? They gotta keep the money going. Because basically, in so many words, they have got themselves in a position. It's almost like having a point to prove in a way. We gotta show this and we gotta show our accomplishments. And I respect that. I respect all accomplishments they doing. But it's a lot of hard work doing that. So in their eyesight, we lazy as reactors that react all day about content. That's just what we do. Our lifestyle is a little different than their lifestyle. We could kind of cool out a little bit, react. You know what I'm saying? We don't get as much money as they get, but it's fine. We don't have to get as much money as they get because your money is based on your lifestyle. If you don't have to do as much work as the next person, what's the purpose of having all that money? We're not trying to build mansions or not like that. We're just trying to live a regular life and chill out. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot of aggressive work you have to do. So these two people who said and made them comments, tell them the true story. The true story is you got no choice but to work hard. Would I believe you want to work hard like that? Be real with yourself. You don't want to work that hard. But you have no choice but to work that hard. You want to know why you have no choice but to work that hard? Because you have to complete your missions. To have a person like Mr. Aaron on your team, I get it. That's why y'all want to get all these donation money from different people. I understand. Because y'all have to get a lot of stuff finished. That's why I say I want to see where the Indians at. Because in reality, I'm going to be real with you. I don't believe it had nothing to do with Indians. I believe it had to do with goals that need to be accomplished. House that need to be finished. I could be wrong. But what I'm saying to y'all, if that's the case, be real with your audience. Just tell them the pressures of working these streets. It's not easy. I've been there, done that as a travel YouTuber to non-reactor. It's not easy. It's a lot of pressure on y'all. A lot of work. So I'm more of being real with the audience and just taking that chance to see if they help y'all donate to finish y'all accomplishments. Because you know what? I know the pain y'all going through. Trust me. I know the pressures y'all going through, going from place to place to place. You know what I'm saying? I've been there, done that. I know how scary situations could get sometimes. That's why I got upset when I was coming to Africa, because I was a little scared because what they showed me on the media. They only showed me poverty, kids, and flies around them. That's why I got upset on situations. But like I'm saying, at the end of the day, and that's why I kind of got aggressive. That's why I say fire in the hole. Because you know why? I get aggressive on situations sometimes because people got to put themselves in the next person's shoes and understand why the king of travel feeling the way he feel. And if you really think about it, you're going to say to yourself like, man, I see why the king feeling the way he feel. Because it ain't easy. So, bro, let me tell y'all something. I'm glad and I appreciate all the reactors, man. And I appreciate you because y'all motivated me to come out my shell. You know what I'm saying? Black Beauty TV, Modesta Lifestyle. the #1 bishop in Africa, Bishop Boxman, Pastor Boxman. We got the Cricket Traveler, Edge, Quirrell, everybody, man. I appreciate all y'all and all the reactors out there. Because now I could step more in the comfort zone. I could feel more at peace and don't have to go through them pressures that the ones that say we lazy got to go through. We rather be lazy, cuz. Let me tell y'all something. We more at a safe place, believe it or not. They're not going to tell you this, but I'm coming from travel YouTubing. If you think I'm joking, look at my channel and see what I was doing. Y'all don't know how many times I got burned out. Y'all don't know how many pressure been on me, because when you drop a video, that don't mean that video going to do good. Why you think the boys be dropping video consistently? Because they have to. They have to. Not every video doing good. Some doing better than others. I have to bring it to y'all raw and uncut. Because see, y'all probably don't understand why they're saying we lazy. We lazy compared to them. It's a lot of work y'all got to do in the field. A lot of work they got to do. So we really lazy compared to them. So all my travel YouTubers, do y'all thing. I feel, hey, listen, handle your business. But let me tell you something, bro. I can't do it no more. I'm going to be lazy with the reactors. I'm joining the team with the reactors. Big shout out to all the reactors. I want y'all to always think about this. When they say y'all lazy, embrace that laziness. Because let me tell you something. Not everybody want to work hard like that. Trust me. I've been there, done that. I don't want to live that life no more. Signing out, the King of Travel, for all my reactors. And guess what? Y'all content creators that's in the field, have fun, bro. I ain't doing it. Peace.
It's Goldie, the King of Travel. Everywhere got a ghetto. Everywhere got a slum. Everywhere got rich people. Everywhere got bums. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. There's so much changes, but everything seems to be the same. Everywhere I go. Everywhere I go.
Welcome to Africa, man. You know what I'm saying? Over here in the village with the kids. You know how we do it, man. Africa, you know, so this the real deal. Welcome to Africa. You know what I'm saying? Just doing a little tour with the King of Travel, man. We just making it do what it do. You know what I mean? That's word.
It's the King of Travel talk show with real experience, with real culture and people across the world. Let's travel!
I got a quick question for you. Are you ready to travel the world? Do you want to see how the locals really live? Hey, he doesn't do resorts. Come on, let's go off the beaten path. Join Mr. Midas, aka the King of Travel, today. Come on, let's go.
I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna quit. It's Goldie. I am the King of Travel. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna quit. It's not in my blood just to up and give in. Even when I lose, I know I'm a champion. Cause tomorrow's a new day and I won't stop till I win. Time after time, again and again. Life be throwing blows, get back up when I get hit. Dust myself off and get on the grind again. I am nothing short of a champion. Yeah, I am relentless. Yeah, yeah. Came so far from where I began. I'm a champion. I'm a champion. Yeah, I'm a champion. 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 Yeah, I'm a champion. Struggle built my muscle, increase my will with the hustle. Make it all look easy, handle trouble with no rebuttals. I must be a Spartan, cause I would never retreat. I got dreams and aspirations that only I can see. I know what is meant for me will be the secret to success is consistency. Like I say, I won't stop, I won't quit. Gotta see everything that I'm chasing. Yeah, I am relentless. Yeah, came so far from where I began. I'm a champion, I'm a champion, yeah, I'm a champion, 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 yeah, I'm a champion.
Welcome to Worldwide Traveling Off the Beaten Path News with Mr. Midas, the king of travel. Let's tour the world, from resorts to some of the most dangerous hoods. Don't y'all want to see how the locals live? Let's travel.